Hi guys, welcome back to Cruising Kiddos. Today we'll be touring room 170, deck 11, ultra spacious ocean view. So when you first enter, here's the door. You have the bunk beds. You have reading lights up there and one down there, and then you have a light above. You have some storage. And then you have your curtain. So there are the bunk beds, and if you turn this way, this is the bathroom. On the bathroom door, you have two hooks. So you have your shelves and a towel. You have a rack up here, another rack, and then you have your sink with some soap. The trash is down there with your toilet paper. So here's the toilet, and this is the shower. And then there's your hair and body wash. The head, which comes out, so you could use it. So when you close this door, you have the switches over here for the lights, and then your thermometer temperature thing. But if you back up from the bathroom, you have your shelves right here. Your storage, nice and wide. You have places to hang your clothes. There's no actual shelves in this one. And if you turn around right next to the bunk beds, there's these shelves over here, which slide open. And you have more hanging storage. Slide that over. You have shelves. Right here is the bed, and next to it is more shelves. You have this really big one which stores your safe. There's more hanging storage, some shelves. If you pull out, there's that drawer, and then another one down here. Next to the bed, you have your phone, your light, a switch for the entire room, and then some more shelves over here. Same with this side, except there's no light for the room. Now if we turn around across from the bed, we have the TV. And let's see. Okay. This TV can, I think, come out and extend. So you could watch it on the couch, which is, or the sofa, which is right over there. This is the sofa, and it is a pull-out bed, so you will be able to sleep another person there. Here is this. There is no coffee maker, at least what I can see so far. There is tissues, some stuff in that drawer, blow dryer, more storage right here. They're really smooth. And then over here is your mini fridge or cooler. And then if you look over here, this has all your information, everything you need to know. If I could find, oh, here it is. Here's the breakfast menu. If you go to Cruising Kiddos on Instagram, you will be able to see the breakfast menu for Wonder of the Seas. Another cool feature we saw is this table you could pull out and bring it over to the sofa to do your work or have breakfast if you would like. So that's another cool feature that you can use. And I think this lights up right there. So you have that. If you turn this way, you have your balcony with curtains. And you have your side table, your chair, and you have another one under here. And you do have a footrest that comes out from there. Hi guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos for tours and more. And I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.